Hello everyone, welcome back. This is day 69 of my coding journey. One more day, we'll be at day 70. In this video, I'm going to be doing the layout for the contact page. I just want to start with the layout, and then I guess another day I'll fill it in with content. But for now, just the layout and just see how far we can get. I got about 45 minutes to spare, so just going to see how far we can get on this video. So I got everything open now, and let's see. So I am having a little issue because I made a whole entire hero component, and I'm passing it props, and each section has the same exact props, I guess. Um, so with this one, I'm thinking about uh creating a hero section inside of the page, but instead of doing a self-closing tag like this, I was going to have it like that, and then inside of this add divs to it. I think I can do this, so I'm about to just see if it works. So I'm just gonna test it out first. So I'm gonna do a div, and I'm gonna do a class name of just div hero test, and just see if this works right quick. I never did this before, like with the closing tag and stuff. And then in here I'm just gonna put a h1 or just like a p tag, and then just do test. Alright, so let's see what happens when we do that. So nothing should happen for now. So let's take this and go to our CSS. Alright, so our container is the background won't be this color. That's just me playing around. I do want the background to have an image, but just for now, we're just gonna keep it blue. And the height 100 VH, but I want to do a display flex, and I want to do a line item center and a justify content center as well. So then for this hero test, just to see if this works, I'm going to give this a background color of white. We still shouldn't see it because we don't have a width or nothing. And then let's do we do see it. It's right there. Perfect. Why does it show up as an image though? That is weird, right? Let's do a width of 100% and a height of auto. I don't think that will work though. Yeah, that shouldn't work. Only way that will work is if I give this like 500 pixels. Yeah, see, it's not working. Fuck. Maybe the height auto should need to come off. See, it's not working. I don't know what to do. How to do this. Because the hero section itself is that, and I'm nesting that inside. So the only thing I can really think of is for this div here, I mean, I might could just add it to the hero component itself. Huh. I'm thinking. Text class, so that's the text class. I can probably, I don't know if this is ideal though. Like, I don't know if I'm allowed. I mean, I know I'm allowed to do whatever I want. It's my code, but like, I don't know if this is what you're supposed to do. Like, I have an idea. I can actually just do something like this. Watch this. So I can do a div inside of this. Give this a class name of what is it? Contact. Actually I'm gonna do let's do props. So I'm gonna do props dot contact form contact class. I'm just gonna do something like that. Alright, so I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna in here I'm just gonna do a I don't think this is right. I don't think this is right, guys. Take that off. Only thing I could think of is just maybe for the contact page, instead of it passing props, this is totally something different than these ones. Like, all of these are going to share similar stuff, right? So instead of that, just for the contact page, we'll just make our own hero. We'll just make our own hero. So what I can do is this. I could change this to a div and change this to class name. And it still should work, right? Yeah, see? It still works. So get rid of that. We'll just make our own. I'll just make my own div here. So my own hero section, since it's going to be totally something different. So yeah, we'll just do that. So we got our hero test. So let's just see something. So the width, I'm trying to think here. I wanted to have like a grid inside of this. So we'll do something like this. So we got our div. This would be contact hero inner, and then in here, so that would be our grid right there. We'll make that grid, and then in here I want one box, two box, and then one big box. So we'll do a total of 3 divs. So one div, let's copy that. All right, so we got 3 divs in here, and the first box will be this would be like with our social links and stuff. So let's do a class name of contact hero socials, and then in the next one I want this to be like the map. So class name contact hero map, and kind of want to separate it a little bit so I won't get confused. I'm sick still, so I know I sound stuffy. Alright, so I'll give this a class name of contact. This would be our form, so contact hero form. So that would be our form. And I think that's all we really need. So let's get these right. So let's start with I don't know what to start with. Let's start with the contact hero socials. Actually, let's start with this, because we got to make this a grid. I don't know why. It's okay. It should disappear. All right. I got a message. Sorry. All right. All right. So we can get rid of that. So this will be our grid. So I'm gonna do a display grid. on that. We shouldn't see anything right now. Display grid, and if for now I'm just going to do a grid template columns of repeat 3 1FR. Alright, and now we gotta give our stuff a width, so we can close out of that. So yeah, we just gonna make our own hero section for now, because this will be the only thing on this page, I think. Alright, so let's do contact hero socials. Alright, and then let's give this a background color white, and we still shouldn't see anything, right? Nope. And let's do a width of 100%. Maybe we'll see something now. And a height of auto. Nope. Maybe width of 500 pixels. Huh. Yeah, we don't see anything still. That's weird. Oh, because there's no content in them. That's why I think. Let's do a P. Let's do a H1 of socials. There we go. Alright, perfect. And let's do height auto. Nope. Alright, so in here, let's do a display flex and a justify content center and align item center. See what happens. Alright, nothing. Okay, let's take off the height auto, and then let's do a width of 500 pixels and a height of 500 pixels. Give it some height. Okay. Alright, perfect. I mean, that's not perfect, but let's do maybe 400 pixels. Let's do maybe like 400 pixels. And then 400. Just want like a perfect square. So it's gonna be, it's most likely gonna be like 200 actually, because we gotta make it smaller. Alright, nah, that's too small. Like 250. 250. Alright, for now, we're keeping it like that. So, contact hero map. Contact hero map. I want most likely all of this shit. Even though you shouldn't repeat yourself. Actually, we can just do this. Don't repeat yourself. Contact hero map. And let's put some content in here. Let's do alright, contact hero map. So we got 3 repeat 1FR. And then for this one, for the next one, I want this will be the form. I don't know if I'm doing this right, man. I suck at grid, but it's just all just Trying to figure it out, like how I want things. So I want, with this one, I want a width of, let's do 500 pixels and a height of 500 pixels and a background color of white. Okay. So we got one FR, one FR. So this one, so they all taken up each. Okay, so that's all the one FRs right there. Now we gotta span it, I think. So this one, grid template rows. Wait, am I doing this right? I did it in my grid on my destinations grid. Forgot the thing. Where's the thing at? Oh, right here. Grid row. Okay. Grid row and grid column. Gotcha. Alright, so this one I want a grid row of span 2, maybe? And then 1FR, 1FR. So maybe this should be 2. Whoa. Whoa. Huh. Trying to think. So we'll have 1, 2. So let's take off this one there. And put this one to be, I don't get how to do this. I don't get how to do this. So I want a social box there. Then I want underneath that another box. Then I want the form over here. So how would I do that? You know what I think it is? I think I got to give my container a width of 500 pixels. And then we're gonna do a margin 0 auto. And that should bring it to the middle. Nope. 800 pixels. I don't get this. I don't get this. So we got that where we wanted at. But I want this to be down here. So how the hell would I do that? Only way I can think of is throw that in a div. Flex, then flex direction column. And I have the form over there taking up that much space. Okay, I think I got an idea. Alright, so for this, we got a div. Let's add another div right here. It's the only way I can think of how to do it. And then I'm gonna toss this into a div itself. I'm gonna give this a class name of just flex test for now. I'll name it later on. Just want to test some shit out. So flex test, display flex, and then flex direction column. Perfect. Exactly what I want. Something like this. Alright, we're getting there. Alright, now I want it centered. So slate grid, place item center. Take off that. Maybe it's slate grid, align item center. Line item center. Justify content center. Let's see what we're working with here, guys. Ah, damn. Alright, let's open this up a little bit. Alright, I just want to see what the hell. So that's the contact container. And we got to display flex. Let's give this a margin 0. Oh no. See if that moves it. Alright, that does it. How the hell do I center this? Trying to think. Oh, I think I know why. Because we got a 3-1FR. That's why. Let's do 2-1FR. There we go. Okay, perfect. And this little gap here, I wonder why that is happening. Is it because maybe this should be 100%? And then let's give this a border. Actually, we could just give it a grid, a gap. Is it grid? How the hell you give a grid column? How the hell you give a grid a gap? Okay, grid column gap. So grid column gap. Oh, I can't do it. Oh, because I got the margin. I think. Property is obsolete. Avoid using it. Why? Why can't I use it? Why are you trying to say I can't use it? Yeah, something like that. Okay, it's looking good so far. Take off this height and let's. Okay, we might want the height to be auto, maybe. Let's keep the height at 250 again. And now we can give this a gap of a 3 rim. Perfect. Maybe like 2 rim. And give both of these a border radius. I want to fix up all of this code. It's just me getting the layout. I'm pretty sure a lot of this is gonna have to change. But I just want to just get my initial layout in first. So border radius, let's do 20 pixels. So yeah, something like this. This would be the map. This would be the social. I might change this to 50%. But if I do that, it's gonna what's the name that? Let's do. Actually, if I do change it to 50% though, I could do this. Actually, do 75%, and then I should be able to use the margin 0 auto trick and center it. There we go. So something like this, but that gap is too big now. Maybe that's why they were saying this. Shouldn't use it. Let's do like 2. 1. Something like this. I mean, obviously it'll stack. Something like this. So this would be like a map. That'll be the social. This would be the form. Let's do H1. And let's do form. Now. And we could just for the hell of it, let's just do a flex. Just want it to be. Let's do a display flex. Let me make sure I'm recording. That would be crazy. Display flex, justified content center, and align item center. Alright, so that'll be our form. And we could give this the same border radius. There's that one. Okay. But you see we have an issue that to where that isn't only thing I can think of is just increase the height to 600 pixels. Nope. 550. 520. I don't think this is gonna work out. I'm gonna be honest. I think once I start adding the content, I think all this shit's gonna break. But this is the layout that I want. Something like this. I mean, I don't think it should break actually. I mean, because we got our boxes, we just got to put stuff inside of it. So I think this is perfect. I think, but yeah, this is something that I want to do here. This would be like our social links. I don't know, probably add like some text or something in there. I mean, I got about 10 more minutes. I can try to make it responsive very quick. So let's go to our home hero, grab our media query. Not that one. I like the one I got in navbar. This one, 800. My mouse about to die. Alright, close out of that. And let's just see what it takes to make this responsive. Alright, so first things first, I already know is for the contact hero section, we just gotta for this section, we're going to do a grid template columns of just one FR. And that should bring it down like that. Okay. Whoa. Oh, dude, we got a problem. Whoa, we got a problem. Yeah, we got us a problem, don't we? Why can't I see? Oh, man. What is this gap? Specify content center? Huh. Yeah, we got us a problem, guys. We got us a problem. I really think it's because I'm not allowing the stuff to take up the amount of space that it needs, and I think that's what's really messing me up here. So we got our grid container, 100 view height. So yeah, you see it's like 250 height, 520 height. I bet you if I let me see something. Take that. And then we're gonna do a height of 300 pixels. I wonder why it's going up there. Huh. It looks good here. This is what I want. This is what I've been thinking about it. Like thinking about. But for some reason when we go here, it's given grid template column. So it's taking up one FR each. Only thing I can really think about is this. Oh, what am I doing? I can just switch to a flex. Can I do that? Let's see if that works. And then grid template, flex direction column. Still same shit. I wonder why it's doing that though. Like at the top there, it's not showing 500 pixels. I think because I'm giving it that, I really think that's it. Like we're giving it, we're setting its width, and I don't think we should do that. Like if I just set this to 100% and the height to auto, actually I don't even need to set a height. I'll let the thing set itself. So it'll be let's see, wait, do I have, so it'll be a height of auto And what we could do is probably just test this out. I got a few minutes left. So what we could do is probably just add like some content in here. I say we just do like something like maybe add some lorem or something. I don't know. Lorem generator. Let's add some lorem in here. Copy. Okay. Yeah, that's what it is. I have to add the content first, definitely. And then I'll worry about the media query. So I think I'm overthinking it. I'm going a little bit too far. But yeah, I think that's definitely what it is, because you know, we don't know how big our content is going to be. And then, you know, that's what it is, because I normally don't set like fix width and height. You're supposed to let the content set itself. I mean, that's what I was taught. But for example, actually, I got a perfect example for the destination grid here, which is on his page. This grid came out perfect, like super perfect. And I don't think I set a width. See, I just set 100% and 100%. So what that does is basically, oh, that's for the image. So for the box, where's the box? Data, I think it's on the list. So I think it's here, right here, I believe. So destination container. So let's see what we did. So yeah, we didn't give this a width or anything. This just, actually no, that's for the grid itself. Hold on. I think it's just class name, inner container. And I don't see that anywhere. But anyway, I don't even see on this CSS where I even initiated like a fixed width or a height. Other than the image, just 100% and 100%. That's just normal. So it's definitely, I definitely should just add the content first. But this is the layout that I want. So what I'm going to do is get rid of that. Well, what did I do? So what I'm going to do is get rid of this. And I'm going to get rid of this one. And go back here. And just put a width, I guess, for now, a height of 250 pixels. And what did I have last time? I believe I had the gap here. And this was 75%. And I could just get rid of that then. But yeah, something like this. This is what I want. This is what I'm gonna try to do. I don't know if I'm gonna do this on camera or I might start tonight. But yeah, this is exactly the type of contact page that I want. And I think I'm having this issue right here because of it's just empty boxes and there's no content in it. It's, you know, it's like literally nothing. So definitely gonna fix this up. I might start with the forum, might start with the social. I don't know, but this is the exact layout that I want. But that's it. 40 minutes recorded. That is day 69. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.